Hi, this is Dr. Skyhawk, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about different types of muscle testing. I shared with a friend earlier today one of the techniques that I used, and she thought it was fascinating. And to me, it's something I've done for so long that I don't think about it. But right now, I'm going through some clutter clearing and trying to decide whether or not I should keep some books and other objects that I have. And since I couldn't find my pendulum, I decided to do one of the things that works really well. And it's a form of muscle testing, but you're actually using your whole body in order to get an answer from your soul, from spirit, on whether something is good for you to keep or whether the soul even wants it around. That way you're bypassing your ego, because when you look at, let's say, a book, like for instance, when you look at the book and you read the title and what it's about, and you're like, oh no, I really need to keep that, so Spirit suggested, when I went to bed last night, and I heard it again this morning, is that in order to go through my books quickly, because I have quite a few of them, one of the fastest ways to do it would be to muscle test. And since I don't know where my pendulum is, I decided to use my body. And when you do that, you can either, usually you hold it up to your heart. Most of the times you look at what you have, but I wanted to really make sure I was doing it correctly so that my ego was not getting involved in this. So I picked up each book in this stack that I had, and it was a fairly good sized stack. And I did it with my eyes closed so that I could not see what the book was about, who it was by, what it entailed. And what I did was hold it to my heart with my eyes closed, and then I asked the soul, if this book is something that I need to keep in my library, push me forward if it's a yes, push me backwards if it's a no. And if I can try and demonstrate this so that you can see what I mean. Because what you do, let me see if I can turn this a little bit, is, and we'll mix these books up again so I don't know which one I'm looking at. And you do it with a little bit of a bended knee. You take the book, you hold it to your heart, and you can either say it out loud or silently. Is this a book that the soul needs to keep on the path that we're on? Does it need to stay in my library? Push me forward if it's a yes. Push me backwards if it's a no. Okay, so with this particular book, it pushed me forward. So without even looking to see what the other book is, I'm going to pick it up, again, hold it in the same space, and ask, does this book need to remain in my library? Push me forward if it's a yes. Push me backwards if it's a no. And then I wait so that the soul can actually tell me whether this book, so this book is a no. So this is how we muscle test when we don't happen to have a pendulum around. I hope that was a little informative, and it maybe gives you new ideas on how you can muscle test without having a pendulum, different ways that you can bypass the ego so that you can get the answers that you're looking for. So go and have fun. Declutter your home. remove things that you don't want, need, can't use anymore, and let things go. This is a great time of the year to do this. It's kind of like a spring cleaning, doing it a little bit early. So I hope this helps for you to move forward on your path of decluttering. And for now, I'll say goodbye. We'll talk soon. This is Dr. Elena Skyhawk. Have a beautiful day.